beat ain't normal.
And they call you, no dancer. I say make I call you some more.
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this crochet braids passion twist hair. This hairstyle was super easy, super fast, and it's really great for beginners. So if you guys want to see how I achieved it, definitely keep on watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos because they are pretty nice. Thank you so much for stopping by and I'll see you guys in the video. Bye bye. Okay guys, so this is basically my braiding pattern. I have my right side part sectioned out. I also have this two sides sectioned out as well because I want to do those as individual crochet or individuals, whatever. I don't know what I want to do yet, but basically those are going to be individuals so that when I put it up or put it as a side part, it looks like I actually did braids. Okay, the rest of my hair is just braided back. I have 9 braids going to the back and I just have this last one where I connected everything, and I'm just going to hide that behind one of the braids. I'll turn back now to show you guys how I hide the excess braid basically. So this is basically what the passion twist looks like straight out of the pack. Each pack comes with 11 twists inside. So I'm going to start from this one right here, and basically all you want to do is open your crochet hook like this and slide it underneath the braid just like that. Next thing you want to do is take your crochet braid, that loop right there, you want to make sure it's open. Then you want to just hook it onto the latch hook, close it and pull it through. Then you want to take the end of the passion twist hair and just hook it onto the crochet needle, close it and pull it through that loop, and then just drag it. Okay, so I'm basically done with all of the back, and I'm going to go ahead and start doing my parting space and the two sides, basically all of my leave out. I already did 2, so this is basically what it looks like. So I'm using this edge control right here, and I'm basically just going to put it on the parting space just to make sure that the line is a lot more crisp. So I basically just braided a bit of my natural hair. I braided from like about here to here, and right here is not braided. So that much is not braided. You don't need to. You can braid it if you want, but I personally don't want to. Next, I'm taking my crochet needle and the crochet hair. Just like the regular crochet braid method, you want to make sure that the crochet needle is open before you slide it through your hair. And then you're just going to hook the crochet braid onto the crochet needle, pulse it and then pull it through, and then you're gonna pull the one end of the crochet braid and then just secure that. So now that that is secure, we're going to go ahead and try to hide our natural hair. And basically what I'm going to do is twist it with the crochet braid. So just find how the crochet braid is twisted and just keep twisting like that. You don't want to open it too much, just go with the flow of the crochet braid. So I'm literally just twisting it exactly how it was twisted. And now this is what you have. So yes guys, that's pretty much it for this hairstyle. That's all I did. If you want to jazz it up a little more, you can definitely go ahead and put some hair rings on it, just to you know however you feel, girl, just put it. But me personally, I'm not gonna put it right now because I feel like the color is already out there and I don't want to put more accessories on it. Do you guys get what I'm saying? Maybe that's the reason. Maybe I'm just being lazy, I don't know, but all I know is I'm not putting accessories on this hair. It's already super cute how it is. This hair is so lightweight. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but I used 8 packs of the hair. I did not finish the 8th pack, but 7 packs should be good. I have a big head, so I usually have to use more hair. Like I know So anyway, I feel like 7 packs should be good for someone with a regular size head. What else? This hair is really soft and so far I'm not reacting to it. Usually I react to like braiding hair extension, like my scalp starts getting really itchy, but this one is doing so good so far. So yes, anyways, I'm gonna have all the details for this hair in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Don't forget to like this video. Please like this video. It actually really does help me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.